Good morning, guys. Now we are going to cook scrambled egg with cooked and fried potato with ham. First, I cook and fry the potato that I cut into small pieces. After that, I put also together the ham. Then I have also here scrambled eggs. So after cooking the small and sliced potato, I also put the ham, and then from the scrambled egg I put them all together. Of course, I have also to put salt, but not so much, and also a little bit pepper powder for its aroma. Then mix it thoroughly. Of course, I also clean the frying pan. Again, we will put a little bit olive oil, because olive oil is more healthy from the other kinds of oil. We only need a little bit just to make the scrambled egg with sliced potato and ham here to cook. We have to wait until the frying pan is hot to avoid it will be sticky in the frying pan. Since the frying pan is already hot, you can see it. We can now already try to put the first scrambled eggs with the cooked potato, which is sliced into small one, and with ham. We can already put the fire a little bit one so that it will not be burned. We also put the potato with the ham in the middle. We will peel it. We just adjust the fire in the stove into a little bit one, not so much strong. And then from the first batch, this is what we cook. Waiting until in the middle is so cooked. Then it's already done. So let's go to the next one. The same procedure. You see, in the middle You can see the potato and sliced ham that was already cooked. Of course, we need to look it up until it is done. We will put a little bit oil, which is the olive oil and the healthy kind of oil, in order that the other side is cooked. Then we will still cook until in the middle of the scrambled egg is cooked. So this is the second batch. As you can see, it's already done. We can put it again in the plate and we move to the next one. Just a little bit olive oil, since oil is not so much. Then we put again the last one.